Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. You might be knowing that recently Apple released macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 2 update. I have already updated my Mac, but in this video I'm going to explain what are the changes after this new update. Now before going ahead, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So friends, as I told you, I have already updated my Mac. The first thing you're going to notice once you update your Mac is just simply go to settings, go to general and then go to software update. So tick mark icon is added after this update. Earlier only message was visible which says your Mac is up to date and it will show you the update version. So yeah, this time you get this tick mark icon, and it would have been better if Apple would have added beta 2 instead of just giving Sequoia beta 15.4, because it might confuse many people that which update is this. So it's actually macOS Sequoia 15.4 beta 2, but yeah, this is what we get new icon after this update. Now the next thing is related to mail application. If you go to mail app, the first thing you're going to notice is in categories you're going to get the basic information about that category. So in promotions it is saying that see what's new from businesses and organization you recognize. If you go to primary, it will give you the information that it finds the message that matters the most in primary and organize everything else. So this is the basic change. If you want to turn it keep it on, you can keep it as it is. If you want to turn it off, you can select this turn off option. One more change in mail application after this update is if you go and select this three dot option, now you get an option to show or hide mail categories like this. So you don't have to go to menu to do the changes. You can directly select this three dot and select the category option. Now the next interesting thing after this update is now you do get new emoji options. 7 or 8 emojis have been added. So you can see we do get this bag under eyes emoji. We have this leafless tree, fingerprint, harp, splatter, shovel, root vegetable and sharp flag. So these are the new emojis which you get after this update. And also one more thing, you can also use these images and you can create genmoji depending on your imagination. So we do have that option as well because of Apple Intelligence. Now after this, the new update is related to App Store. If you try to download any application in App Store, this time you get an option to pause that particular download option, and later on whenever you want to resume it, you can just simply resume like this. Earlier this option was not available. Earlier only stop option was there, but this time you do get an pause option. So suppose if you have paused a download and later on you want to completely cancel it, now you can see there is no cancel button or stop button over here. So this time you can just simply go to launchpad and go to that application, tap and hold it, and if you select this cross icon, you can delete the download from here. And once you go back to App Store, you can see the downloading has stopped completely. So yeah, you do get this new pause or resume option for download in App Store. And the next update is related to Photos application. Some of the people have reported that they have got an option of creating memories with Apple Intelligence, but as you all can see, I'm not getting that option for now. It might be a bug. Maybe Apple will fix this later, or there might be some problem. And as you can see, if I go to settings, in settings my Apple Intelligence is turned on. So I don't know why I'm not getting that option, but yeah, some of the people have got that option of creating memories with Apple Intelligence. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. These are some basic changes you might notice after updating your Mac to macOS Sequoia 15.4 Beta 2. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.